Imagine driving through the bustling city, your car gleaming and reflecting the sun, a testament to the perfect marriage of power and polish. But wait, did you know that keeping your car clean is more than just an aesthetic choice? Let's dive into the untold narrative of car cleanliness, where each wash tells a story and every wax hides a secret. It all began in the small town of Crestwood, home to open roads and a love for immaculate cars. Here, our protagonist, Ethan, a young enthusiast armed with a sharp intellect and an insatiable curiosity for both engines and artistry, made his mark. His bright eyes paired with a confident persona became synonymous with unexpected revelations in car care. "I didn't just want a clean car," Ethan would say. "I wanted a masterpiece on wheels." Every Sunday, Ethan would arm himself with buckets and sponges, but he knew there was more to this ritual than met the eye. "Why do we wash our cars?" he'd ponder. The ritual, he realized, was deeply rooted in culture, respect, and the understanding that a car, after all, is a reflection of oneself. Ethan's secret lay in simplicity. He discovered that the foundation of car cleanliness was not about extravagance, but about timing and patience. Early morning washes when the dew settles, he found, protected the paint like nature's guardian, reducing the harsh impact of detergents and heat. Therefore, time of day mattered, a revelation that puzzled experts and intrigued enthusiasts alike. But so what's next? Conventional wisdom told Ethan to avoid automated car washes because of their scratchy brushes. But he saw an opportunity where others saw risk. By mastering a specific foam formula, Ethan convinced a local car wash to experiment with gentler brushes that treated the car surface with the tenderness of a soft summer rain. Consequently, this resulted in a service unprecedented in the region, quickly gaining traction and sending Ethan into an unexpected chapter of entrepreneurship. What about detailing? Here, Ethan's strategic acumen shone brightest. Leveraging Kaizen, a Japanese philosophy of continuous improvement, he refined his detailing process week after week. His hands moved swiftly, yet delicately, applying each layer of wax as if painting on a living canvas. Between every layer, a story unfolded, a quest of perfectionism never quite satiated, yet ever driven. The ceramic coating was Ethan's masterpiece, a finish not yet typical in his town, a whisper of mystery. The application wasn't just a coating. It was an enigma. His guilty pleasure became watching drops of water glide effortlessly like quicksilver across the paint. Therefore, for Ethan, each car that left his care wasn't just a vehicle. It was a statement. His obsession bred perfection. But what touched him most was his client's reaction. This embrace of excellence expanded too far beyond local enthusiasts. It reached the hearts of the reluctant residents who saw cleanliness as mere vanity. But, through Ethan's passion, they found purpose. Inspiration spread like wildfire. Young drivers, newly armed with Ethan's insights, formed a community. Communication flowed over steaming cups of coffee as they shared their discoveries and triumphs. Ethan's best-kept secret spreading wider than he could have dreamed. Thus, you've learned the journey of Ethan, but now it's over to you. Next time you open the garage doors and face your car's expectant gaze, remember, it's not just about cleaning. It's about connecting, about the commitment it represents, and the pride imbued within each motion. Isn't it ironic that something as simple as keeping a car clean can amplify life's broader canvases? But so, it goes. Our efforts mirror ourselves. Therefore, whether you use brush, cloth, or soap, the real power is in the intention. That's the legacy Ethan has shown us. So, will you pick up your sponge and join this illustrious line of enthusiasts? For Ethan, the road is open, the canvas ready, and the brush in your hand. Imagine your car gleaming against an azure sky, each shine telling the story of your increasing finesse, your mastery. The journey begins with the next wash, and the majestic roads await your reflection,